This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the exact purpose. This focuses both your mind and the other person. Once done, map the audience, why they care, and what terms to use so your questions land. Then write 3 core questions: an opener to build rapport, a clarifier to remove ambiguity, and an outcome question to generate action. Do this now. It reduces rambling and ensures every question moves you toward the result you want. You craft questions deliberately. Start with open questions to reveal context because depth gives you better options, then use closed questions to confirm specifics. This creates clarity. Once done, sequence them. Easy opener, deeper probe, then an outcome-oriented request so decisions can be made. Make sure to plan 1 or 2 follow-ups for each critical question so you can pivot if answers are vague. This sequencing reduces resistance, and you finish by summarizing key points and asking, "Do I have that right?" This confirms understanding and prevents assumptions. Then assign clear next steps: who does what, by when, and how success looks, because accountability turns answers into action. If responses are unclear or the conversation stalls, reframe the question or offer a 2-option choice to reduce overload. That troubleshooting step often breaks logjams and moves you forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.